Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. As you can see, the ink pipes are empty. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to print a nozzle check pattern in order to check print quality. How can you do that? I will show you. On the control panel, press this button. Then press the copy button. As you can see, the grid is consistent. There is no broken lines, but we have incomplete patterns. So this is the problem. How can we fix it? Let me show. We're gonna back to the control panel of the printer. Press again on this button. Number 10. Then press on copy button again. Let me show you what will happen inside the printer. As you can see, the ink pipes are empty. Now we'll print another nozzle check to check if the problem has fixed. As you can see, the patterns have improved. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.